Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing or unbagging on my Glamnetic X for August. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright guys, let's get to it. Let's start unbagging. I just finished filming a full face of first impressions of new products that I've been collecting, so that's probably going to go up after this, so keep your eye out on that video. And I'm going to get back to videoing. I've been busy with the kids. They're going back to school. It's just crazy, so hopefully I can get back and start videoing again because I miss y'all so much. Alright guys, this is the Glamnetic X for August. And let's open her up and see what we got. I've been having it for a week now, and I haven't opened it. I'm like, I need to open it. So it comes in a box, because this is the X. This is all the goodies in there. Let's see what we got. The X's come with a little newspaper, and it tells you who curated this box. It's always curated by someone. This one is curated by Halsey. Choose your own adventure. Forget about boundaries. Beauty knows no limits. And that's true. Beauty does know no limits. So when you open it, it does show you all the things that are included in the box. And a little bit about the person that curated the box. It does tell you that. So that's what's in here. I love that picture. That's so pretty. I love colors, so you know me, I love that. And flowers. Love it. So pretty. So I'm just going to start pulling out of the box. The first thing I pull out, this says it's from About Face. This is a highlight liquid, a liquid highlight. This is the box. It has this pull, see, and this is how you open it. That's weird. It didn't go all the way across. Dang it. Ooh, pretty packaging. I love it. It's like this purpley pinkish color. That is so pretty. I'm a sucker for packaging. This says it's the Light Lock Highlight Fluid, 15 milliliters. It looks like it has a dropper. Ooh, girl. So it says, while you'll love it, it says it's a highlighter, $32. It says that it's a few drops of this lightweight liquid highlight illuminate your skin like no other thanks to light reflecting bronze pigment. How to use it, you've got options. Apply it under your base, over your base, or mix it with your favorite base for a little extra glow. Shake well before use. Gotcha. So you could put this underneath your foundation, or like put it on the high points of your cheeks, and it'll give you that extra like lit from within glow. It smells really good. It feels really soft, so I'm interested in to try that. I do like a couple of other products like that. Cover Effects has a dewdrop like that I really like. So the next thing I pick up is from Aether Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. This looks like an eyeshadow palette. It's cruelty-free and vegan. It's made in the USA. I'm excited. New brand I haven't tried before. Like the High Priestess, be unquestioning of your knowledge and power. That's the card that was in there. I don't know. This is the palette. Ooh, it's pretty design. It's kind of bulky. The store palettes like this, I know some people don't like that, but it's pretty flat. No mirror, which is okay. It has writing in the inside, and this is the palette. Really pretty. The shades are really pretty. Let me swatch some. So this is like a mint green. Ooh, it's pigmented. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't that so pretty? And let's do a darker shade. Let's see. This is a darker purple shimmer. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. Yes, 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 yes. I love these colors. I do prefer my palettes to either be round, you know, in an even row, but I don't mind that. I don't mind that. It's not going to make me not use the palette. Now the names of the shades are on the little sleeve. So if you want to keep the shade names, you would have to keep that sleeve in there, which is good to keep that sleeve. It keeps those powders nice. I don't know if I'm saying the name of this brand correctly. Aether Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. This value of this palette is $58. Look at the palette again, girl. 12 shades in this palette. 12 pans in this palette. And it's $58. Woo! It says you'll feel good about wearing these shimmery shadows 24/7. They're infused with organic coconut oil for smooth application, rose quartz to illuminate your eyes, sapphire crystals to promote well-being and focus, and they're housed in fully sustainable packaging too. So that's really nice. So it says the founder of this brand is Tila Abbott, set out to prove that she can not only create high-performing clean formulas, but she could also do while prioritizing ethics and sustainability. So that is that. I can't wait to try this palette because it's $58. It's very expensive for an eyeshadow palette with 12 pans in it. Alright, let's just keep going. Let's roll with this. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the full frontal mascara. This is a really nice mascara. I really like it. It's in black. I have this mascara. So I will be putting this in a giveaway for one of you. And I just hit my 3,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful. I'm so excited. Thank you all. So I'll be putting this in a giveaway, and be on the lookout for that video. I do have a giveaway video coming out soon to show you how much I appreciate y'all. Appreciate you. So this will be going in the giveaway. This is a really nice mascara. I can attest to that. It's really nice. The only thing I will say about it is it does clump a little bit, but so it says the retail value is $24. It says this high performance mascara holds up while you turn up. The innovative brush head creates mega volume, length, and thickness for a dramatic lash look, and the long wearing water resistant jet black pigment won't smudge or smear for hours. So the next thing I pick up, oh look at that, no. Like somebody threw that back in there, girl. But this is from Glow Recipe. It's their hyaluronic clay pore tight facial. This retail value for this item is $40. I do love a lot of Glow Recipes products. I love their facial products, and I can't wait to try this out. It says it's a face mask. It's like a vacuum for your pores. This mask uses gentle clays, fruit enzymes, and exfoliate acids like BHAs and PHAs to get rid of clogged dead skin cells, buildup, and excess oil. So I can't wait to try this. So the next thing I pick up is from Herbivore. This is the Emerald Hemp Seed Deep Moisture Glow Oil. So I like oils on the skin. I don't mind them. See what it looks like. Ooh, it's pretty. It has a dropper. It's big too. It says it's an Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil. The retail value for this item is $48. It says a few drops of this oil instantly calm, soothe, nourish, moisturize, and even protect from environmental aggressors. You can thank the hemp seed oil. It's rich in fatty acid and vitamin E, squalene, turmeric root, and ashwagandha for those benefits. So it says use morning and night, massage 3 to 5 drops over clean skin. So can't wait to try this. I am currently almost out of the oil that I'm trying on my face right now. So I am going to open it because I'll be using it soon to test it out. It definitely has an earthy smell. It feels really nice, and the scent is very, very light, very, very light, which is good. It's very, very faint. Feels really nice on the skin. So the next thing I pick up is from Laneige. Did I say that right? This is what I picked. This is a lip sleeping mask, apple lime. I love lip masks, and I love overnight lip masks. Oh, you sold me on this. Look, oh my gosh, look how little this is. Look at this tiny thing. This tiny spatula. I love it. Look how cute. I love these little things. And it comes with its little pouch. Keep it in there. Take it out for bedtime. Put it on. That's so cute. Let's see. Ooh, it smells just like apples. So nice. Oh, this is big too for a lip mask. This set it retails for $22. This overnight lip mask is made with something called Moisture Rep technology, a proprietary blend of hyaluronic acid and protective minerals that work to nix cracks, flakiness, and dryness all while you sleep. And girl, do I need that, because my lips get so dry and cracked. So dry and cracked. The next thing I pick up is from Sarah-HYAJKIHU. It's a collagen boosting serum, plumps and smooths. That's the packaging. Let's see what it looks like. This is the serum. It comes in a pump. I need me some collagen boosting. Let's see. It says the retail value of this item is $48. So says it has a French origin since 1994. It's non-toxic, which thank you. I don't want to put toxic shit on my face. American-made beauty, cruelty-free. It says face serum. The star of this smoothing and firming face serum, vegan collagen. The ingredient is proven to plump the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, boost skin elasticity, and even minimize the appearance of pores. It says you could use it morning and night. So interested to try this. Alright, the next thing I pick up is from Treats Beauty. It says Lash Treat. It comes in this little packaging right here with a zipper. And this is what it looks like. Lash serum. I do have a lash serum that's open right now that I'm already using, so I will not open this serum. So this says that it's this retails for $65. That's what the packaging looks like. It says, longer, thicker lashes await. This conditioning serum uses peptides, aloe vera, and hyaluronic acid to enhance your natural lashes, prevent breakage, and encourage optimal lash growth. It's safe for sensitive eyes and anyone with lash extensions. Well, I don't have lash extensions, but it's good for sensitive eyes. I think everyone's eyes are sensitive, right? The lash serum that I use use Babe Lash. It's a really good serum to use if you want to grow your lashes. I don't use it every day. I use it maybe once or twice a month because my lashes, it really makes them grow. So I only have to use it once or twice a month. Alright guys, that was the end of my box. I received 8 items with a total of $337. What do y'all think? I know I got a lot of skincare products in there. Have y'all received y'all box yet? If you do receive it, have we gotten similar items? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you liked any of the items I received. Okay guys, till next time, y'all stay blessed.